Welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to make DIY Christmas ornaments. Here's everything you're going to need. Make sure your paint is multi-surface so that it will stick to your plastic or glass ornaments. First thing to do is take the caps off of each one. Squirt your paint inside. After you put a generous amount, tap the sides of your ornament to spread the paint around. You might need to add more. After you've filled the inside of every ornament, you want to tap it to get the excess paint out. This is how I like to put the extra paint back into the bottle. Once you've done this process for each ornament, you can start painting. Put the caps back on each one. The first design I've decided to do is a reindeer. I'm drawing a simple reindeer head. It might take a few layers to get your paint to dry on and be full, so be patient with it. While I wait for that one to dry, I'm going to mix some paint for the antlers. Remember, they don't have to be perfect. While that one's still wet, I'm going to move on to the next one, a simple snowman. First thing to do is paint a triangle on for the nose. If you mess up like I did, you can wipe it off while it's still wet with a paper towel. Next thing to do is put some black circles on for the eyes and the mouth. They don't have to be perfect circles either. And there we are, there's our snowman. Next one I'm gonna do is a Santa hat. The green is still showing underneath, so I need to do another layer. I'll leave that one to dry. The next one is a snowflake. The last design I'm doing is the Grinch face. We'll start off with the yellow eyes. You can look at a picture of the Grinch while you do this if it helps. That's what I did. While I let his eyes dry a little bit, we're going to go back to the reindeer. Paint on the little brown nose, and then we'll start the eyes. Be very careful doing this since they're so small. I also decided to give her a cute little flower. This one's all done. And now we'll move back to this Santa hat. I decided to add a second layer of yellow to the eyes to make them pop more. And to finish them off, we want to add an outline of black around the yellow eyes. Be very careful since the yellow is still wet. Next thing I did was give him some big, bushy, jagged eyebrows. And drew on his nose. Next thing is the smile. And lastly, I'm putting his pupils in his eyes. I had to be very, very careful. And there's our Grinch. I'm putting a second coat of white over the snowflake just to make it a little more white. And lastly, I have to finish off the Santa hat. The red was taking a very long time to dry, so I decided to just carefully put the white on and let it all dry together. There's our Santa hat.